Okay, first we're going to take this plastic shrouding around the vent cover. You remove the plastic trim, and then you raise the screen up as I've done here, and you pull the screw out of the center here. If yours has a fan on it, go ahead and unscrew the switch to the fan. There's two screws that hold this screen on, and they're right in the middle. There's one on this side, and then there's going to be one over here on this side. Now we take the screws out of this crank. Screw right there and a screw right there. And then just slide it out of the slot. Well, that's hard to do one-handed. So the way this crank attaches to the vent is it goes through that opening right there, and that little clip gives it spring, so it kicks it back and keeps it locked in. And then your crank, of course, keeps this part. It never comes back down here, basically. Your crank keeps it all on this end. You get up on the roof, all you need is a screwdriver, flat blade screwdriver, and of course a ladder. Okay, this little piece right here has been bent down to lock it in. I'm going to bend that tab back up so I can slide it off. You basically bend it back up where it's even with the rest of it, and you start pushing it off. On the new vent, I'm going to go ahead and bend this one down as well, so it'll automatically lock from that side, and then all I have to do is bend this one down once I get it slid on. If you have issues sliding it back, you can kind of work it like that, and it can freeze it up a little bit. As you can see, I just bent this tab down, and now I'm ready to go back inside. As you go back with it, just install it in reverse order.